I'm sure we've all been there before. I get home and walk inside my house. I take my shoes off and head inside. Suddenly, I realize I'm hungry, so I head into the kitchen and make myself some food. First, I wash my hands, of course, and then I make a salad. Gotta make sure all the leaves are in the bowl. Oh, missed one. You would think that this proceeds to be a very ordinary evening, but instead, I got a special visitor.
Hi, my name is Annabella Maria Galang, and I'm going to teach you about the biology of stem cells. We, like every living organism, are made up of cells. However, before we became the multicellular marvel we are today, we were once made up of a single type of cell, stem cells. Now, what even are stem cells? By definition, stem cells are cells that have the capability to replicate itself or differentiate into many other cell types. A good analogy for stem cell differentiation is a ball rolling down a hill, because in nature, balls don't roll back up the hills. Similarly, cells don't return to their undifferentiated state naturally. On this path of differentiation, stem cells go through several steps to become a specialized differentiated cell. First, totipotent stem cells are capable of creating all adult tissues and supportive tissues for an embryo, for example, the placenta. The embryo is made up of pluripotent stem cells, which have the potential to make up all adult tissues. Multipotent stem cells are responsible for the multiple lineages of the body, and they give rise to progenitor cells. Progenitor cells are still indeed stem cells. They can still self-renew and differentiate further. However, they're a lot more specialized than other types of stem cells. Lastly, there are differentiated cells. These are the specialized cells that have specific functions. Look, I mean, that's really cool and all, but what does that have anything to do with me and what I do? Oh, you actually just used a variety of differentiated cells. You used motor neurons and muscle cells to open up the door. Then you realized you're hungry, mostly because the neurons in your brain were telling you so. You used photoreceptors in your eyes to see the vibrant colors of your salad and the epithelial cells of your tongue to allow you to taste it. Hey, you know what? That's actually really cool. I didn't realize stem cells were so important. Actually, scientists are looking to stem cells for new therapies for arthritis, paralysis, cancer, you name it. But all this buzz comes from the idea of taking your own stem cells, inducing differentiation, and creating your own genetically unique tissues. Once that idea got out, it really got the ball rolling. I hope you've gained a better understanding of stem cell differentiation. It truly is a remarkable phenomenon that we could not live without. And who knows, maybe it'll be the cure for cancer someday.